What's up, what's up, what's up, you guys? What's up? How you doing today? It's your skinny boy Randy. How are you doing today? It's September the 1st, and you know what that means. 2 more days before my birthday. Okay, I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. You are absolutely the best. And yes, I'm out here in the rain. I don't even care, you guys. Today was my last day at work for a week because I'm heading to Miami Beach, Florida for a secluded getaway on the ocean front for my birthday. Yes, you guys, thank you so much for being here. You are absolutely amazing. You are the best. Today I just want to give you an update on how I cleaned my summer garden out and transferred it into fall. Well, we're still in the process of doing that. So we're just going to dive right into this video. It's not going to be long. Just going to give you an idea. If you have any questions, you're thinking like, am I supposed to pull this up yet? Or when do I pull this up? No, you guys, let some of your items continue to grow. They will grow in the fall. Look at these marigolds just restarting to sprout out. When it got really hot, everything went into dormancy. Look at some more zinnias coming out. Yeah, you guys, so I never clear this bed out until I know that we have nothing left to harvest, to enjoy. Now over here, as you know, the sunflower, she came on. Oh, wow. She has really expanded in her size. Look at that. She's so heavy, she's leaning over. If I put my hand there, see, give you an idea how big and beautiful it is. Yes, and then her sister's over here. A little pollen dropping everywhere, you guys. But yeah, that's my sunflower. She's like this, okay, I'm heavy. This thing is loaded with thousands of seeds, you guys. So yeah, it's September the 1st, and the sunflowers are still doing their thing. Our gladiolas, they didn't, reproduce anything a second time. They did great the first time. Here are some more sunflowers coming up around the pole. Look at that. Flowers still blooming, you guys. More sunflowers coming. And these are the beautiful leaves off of my beautiful tree in the front. And then the elephant ears. Look at how the elephant ears are doing, you guys. Wow. Look at that. Huge. Huge. Just absolutely, they've grown past the living room window. Hostas still coming. Forgive me for moving fast, you guys, but we're trying to get some things done. More cucumbers that fell off the vine. That one's ripening. Yeah, we had pickle worms on those, you guys. Now, as you can see, let your cucumbers die themselves out, because sometimes they'll keep producing. Like, look at here. See? Even though it may have some pickle mice, I'm trying to save the seeds, you guys. Yeah. I think they got a hold of these, but look how huge these are. Look at those red ants you guys were asking about. Yep. Everyone gets them sometimes. Yeah. Okras. Little baby. There's some okras on our little teeny trees. We have teeny ones as well. Some of our fruit trees are going into their dormancy. Look at our peppers, still coming. Don't rip everything out of your garden, you guys. Don't be too fast. See, look at all these okras. All these okras still coming. More peppers. More peppers, you guys, more peppers. This is our eggplant tree. Look, more eggplant. Oh, we have some pests on there. More eggplant. Coming from that same one we pulled the other, and more flowers. Our corn is done for the season. Now if you come over here, look at this tree, you guys. It's an eggplant, but it's really turning into a tree. Eggplants coming out there. One here. I think that's the only two I see on this one. But yeah, when things cooled off, you guys, things start popping back up. So what I've done is I've cleaned out my beds, except for things that are still growing. My peppers, look at my Zulu black pepper, still growing. Another one coming. Like I said, when everything cooled down, you guys, you'd be surprised what comes back out and keeps growing. Look at those. Some little squash and cucumbers and little pumpkins. So if they make it, they make it. And I planted all my seeds out here in rows. And it rained today like crazy, so Thank you, God, for the rain. Thank you, God, for the rain. You rained right on time for me, Lord, because it watered it better than I could ever water it. So what I did, I separated my garden into areas. This is my greenery area. It's going to be collard greens, mustard, kale, and turnips. And then over here, I'm going to do my quick growing vegetables right now, which I have the radish and the turnips and the beets and things like that I want to harvest quickly. And I'm going to drop seeds in between those because when they're ready, I can pull those up and my other plants will still be growing. Over here is just a small lettuce bed in one of the little square beds I have. I have 4 different types of lettuces over there and some arugula. Over here we did our spinach, we have like 4 different types of spinach, you guys. So yeah, over here it's like our spinach, our we have 4 different types of spinach. I don't know all of their names off the bat, but yeah. And then over here, what did I put over here? I don't have my diagram with me, you guys. But we have our greens, our beets, our spinaches, our bok choys, and our kohlrabi. There we go. There we go. See, when you start working in your garden a lot, you'll know what you're doing. You'll remember what you're doing. Yes. Now back here, the garden that we started with the other seedlings. This is some of the arugula starting to appear back here by this fence. This rain is pouring down. You see a lot of little babies coming up. Kohlrabis. Yeah, you guys, just to give you a little visual of how to transition your summer garden into your fall. Don't pull everything up at one time, you guys. You know, we ain't got no money to be throwing away no food. We ain't got no money. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm so excited. It's my birthday. I know I need to get out of this rain because I don't want to be sick tomorrow morning. I have an early flight and I don't want to miss it because we ain't got no money to throw away on a plane ticket. I love you guys. You're absolutely amazing. Don't forget, live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow stuff and eat it. And I did no preliminaries. I'm sorry. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Garden with Skinny Boy Randy. Beginners and experts are welcome. Click a thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the 2 middle fingers, okay? Okay. Also, click like and subscribe. Share the video. Leave a comment. I love you. You're the best. Talk to you soon.